Hello, good afternoon once again. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can add references on Wikidata or Wikidata items. So as you may be aware, Wikidata items are simply the same as described on Wikipedia as Wikipedia pages. So on Wikidata, we say Wikidata items. So to do that, you first need to log in with your username and password. And I'm going to use this article item to show you how you can add reference to Wikidata items. So, Jamila, okay, so there's Jamila Abdullahi Wikidata item. So let's say we are going to add um, a reference to instance of human. I need to click on edit. Then I first of all have to Google to see where it says that or any trusted article that talks about Jamila Abdullah. So I found one somewhere on Google. So I'm going to copy the link, just copy the URL of that article, and I come here to see add a reference here, and I click on add. I need to put URL. So you see reference URL and select your reference URL because I'm using a website link to reference the item. So I'll just paste the link there. Then I click on, once I click the link, I need to click on publish. Here, you see publish here. I click on publish. Yeah, so I've added a reference to instance of now. Let me do another reference. So here, it says give me a email. So add a reference. I need to come here and click on add reference. And I search for URL. You see reference URL. I paste the code. So always use the reference URL. If you are using a website link, I click on publish again. That's how you add reference on website. So there are so many places you can add references, but I would also like to highlight these important things about references on Wikidata. So things about the person's place of birth, the person's date of birth, and yeah, these things are very important. And when you put them on Wikidata, you need to put the reference to that. So like where the person was born, the person's date of birth, they are very important. You always need to add a reference to that. So you can see here ethnic group where it's you see this mark, which means something is wrong somewhere. And when you hover or click on it, it will tell you that citations needed constraint. So that means you cannot put something like this on Wikipedia and let it go. So you need to add a reference. So I will do the same thing as I did earlier. I click on add reference and I type reference URL in the box here. Another box opens, then I paste the link there, then I go ahead and click publish. Now let's see what happens. That notification is gone. So they have done the right thing, and I hope you now know how to add references with the data items. Thank you so much. I hope to see you again next time. Bye.